Holi is just around the corner, and I must say it's one of the festivals that is most fun because it brings out the child in you, which we all have hidden within us, and at this time Holi, it really comes out. And I love this festival because it is played with color, all different colors, and we have children playing Holi. Whatever your age group, you are playing Holi, and it's the greatest fun. Now, before we used to play Holi, of course, you find with natural flowers, and even now if you go to Vrindavan, you will find that they are using a lot of flowers. So that's one thing I really would like you all to get back in. Just take the flowers, play, with especially those who are not well or if they have a problem. Play Holi with them also, but use natural flowers. So now I'm going to tell you how you can make, Holi, your colors, your liquid colors and your gulal, you can make it at home, which is going to be fun. So not only you will have fun playing with the colors, but you're going to have fun also making the colors. And it's going to be very good for the skin and also for the hair. You will find that you will not damage the skin and the hair. So let's start off first by making a liquid color. For that I am going to use beetroot powder. Now you get beetroot powder in the market. Okay, you can take about 2 spoons of beetroot powder, and to that you are going to add water. Just make it, then we're going to mix it. Mix the powder, mix it nicely. And then, now I've already made one beetroot, so I think we'll just put it into that, or if you want we can put it into another one. So once you mix this powder well, you can also do it with a normal beetroot, okay? Boil it and cut it up and then put it in a mixie. Then put water in it and use it. So you can do it any way you want. And now I am going to I can do it in this itself. I'm going to strain it, okay? And just don't take all the sediment that is there. We only need the water. Leave the sediment and let's mix it. Okay, mix it and you can strain it again. Mix it, add more water and let's strain it again. And in fact you could also add more water through this so that you get all the color out completely. And now we're going to strain it again into this. Take it out and strain it. So you have the red color, okay, coming out from beetroot, which is natural and wonderful for the skin. And you can make it with any color that you want, the same thing with the powders and you can use like lemongrass, you can use green. Now when you use the lemongrass and you put it into water, you just have to squeeze it with your hands, okay? Then you can use marigold flowers, they give a beautiful color. Mix it with water, squeeze it and strain it out. You can use fresh rose, that again is beautiful, and squeeze it again. You can have this, put water in that, squeeze it. You can have pink, lily of the valley, gives you a pink color, and we have orange, which is kesar, which will give you a lovely kesar. So put it in water, squeeze it and then strain it, and you will get a really lovely color. And you can use these natural colors for when you're playing, when the children are playing, when you're playing with the pitchkari. Okay, now we come to making your thing with the solid one. How do you make the gulals? That again is very interesting. So you take the turmeric powder, put in say a teaspoon or two, it depends on how much of gulal you want, okay? And then now you take corn flour. Now you take corn flour, you've done 2 of that, you can take 2 of this, and we take about double this, okay? And make this, and you mix it. Mix this up so that the powder is nicely mixed. And then we are going to add a little water to it and mix it further. Okay, now mix this again. Now what is going to happen, this is going to become into a little, oh wow, I'll have to mix some more water with this. Mix some more water and it becomes really hard. Now this, because and you use corn flour, okay? Now because of the corn flour, you will find it gives you that wonderful consistency. Yes. Now we've got it in this. Now we're going to add a little more turmeric and a little more corn flour. So we'll have some more turmeric in that. Mix that. You will find it gets harder as we are mixing, and I'm going to add a little more corn flour. So you just go by one till you get the correct consistency, okay? Like this. Now this is the most beautiful, as we all know, festival, and it's a festival of Lord Krishna, you know. And it's really lovely. I think it's played all over India. Everyone loves to play Holi. And like I said, every child, every grown-up, they all love Holi. So I thought, why don't we just make our own color instead of, buying all this? Because I've seen so many faces which have had problems when they use the colors that are not organic or not natural. They use so many drastic colors, and it's really bad for the skin. And also for the hair, I found even the hair gets very damaged. So let's do this and make these lovely colors. Now the same way like I am using turmeric, you can use other things also, like the green gulal is made with thing. Now we take this and then we put it onto a tray like this. Okay, now I just take this away so that you all can see what I am doing. Yeah, you take a tray and you put a plastic into that. You can put a cling film or you can put anything, and then you just put this like this. Put this down like this. Now what we are going to see, it's become like it just becomes, okay. Now we are going to dry this. You can dry this in a microwave, or for the plastic you can't put that in a microwave, so you will put it out in the sun. If you're going to use it in a microwave, you will have to use that special paper that comes, and then you can put it. You can also use butter paper, which is very good too for this thing. And then you will dry it. Once it's dry, we break it up. It's like a biscuit. You break it up, you put it in a mixie, mix it, and you have powders like this. Now this is the yellow, so you'll have it like this. You can do this with marigold, and you can do this with turmeric. I find turmeric very easy because it's all done, the powder and everything. And turmeric is very good for the skin also. Then you can use, this is Lily of the Valley, which is really lovely, and it gives a beautiful, color. and then we have the lemongrass. Now, you can add your essential oil to this thing, any essential oil that you want. You can add ylang-ylang. Normally, I like to use ylang-ylang, but now just say you're having lemongrass. Now, lemongrass by itself has a very good smell, okay? So you can do lemongrass, you can use marigold or turmeric. Now, orange is kesar. Kesar gives wonderful color into the water and into the gulal. And then you can use the orange, the rose. Now the rose again gives you a beautiful, beautiful color like this. Now these, when you use them, you will find it doesn't harm your skin and it gives you a beautiful effect. You can use it on your hair, your skin and everything. In fact, you can use it on your back. There's no problem.